Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to record customers in Gnucash. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Gnucash application on your computer. Once the application launches, you'll need to wait a moment while your financial data loads up completely. This might take a few seconds depending on the size of your files, so just give it a moment to fully load everything. Now that your data is loaded, direct your attention to the top part of your screen where you'll find the main menu bar. Look for and click on the Business tab. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several business-related options. From this list, hover your cursor over the customer option. When you do this, an additional menu will expand to the side, showing you more customer-specific actions. From this expanded menu, go ahead and click on New Customer. This is where you'll begin setting up your customer records in the system. After clicking New Customer, a new window will pop up on your screen. This is your customer information form, where you'll enter all the relevant details. Start by assigning a unique customer number for this customer in the designated field. This number helps you identify and organize your customers within Gnucash. Next, move to the company name field and enter the customer's business or company name. This is important for keeping your records organized and professional. Now you'll need to set up the customer's billing address. Begin by filling in the name field with the appropriate contact name, then proceed to add the complete address details in the address field. After that, enter the customer's phone number in the phone field, followed by their fax number if they have one. Don't forget to add their email address in the email field as well, as this is crucial for digital communication and invoicing. If you have any additional information or special notes about this customer, you can optionally add those details in the notes section. This might include payment preferences, delivery instructions, or any other relevant information that will help you manage this customer relationship better. Once you've filled in all the necessary fields and double-check that everything is accurate, click on the OK button to save this customer record. The system will process and store this information in your Gnucash database. And that's it. You've successfully added a new customer record to your Gnucash system, making it easier to manage your business transactions and invoicing going forward. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.